Welcome to Ganapati Institute Kakinada YouTube channel. In this video class, we are going to discuss about Union Territory Chandigarh. You know very well, Chandigarh, it is a city, it is a district and union territory that serves as the capital of two neighboring states, Punjab and Haryana. So, it is a common capital for Punjab and Haryana. Coming to nicknames of this union territory, Chandigarh city, which is also called as City of Roses, City of Roses. At the same time, the city is also called as Green City of India, Green City of India and City of Beautiful. So, Chandigarh city, which is also called as City of Beauty, City of Beauty, Green City of India and City of Roses. Coming to formation of this UT Chandigarh, which is actually formed in the year 1966 on November 1. So this UT Union Territory, which is actually formed in the year 1966 on November 1. High Court jurisdiction, which is mainly come under Punjab and Haryana High Court, Punjab and Haryana High Court, which is actually located at Chandigarh's Capitol Complex. I will tell you later about Chandigarh Capitol Complex. Coming to area rank is 34, and number of Lok Sabha seats is 1. Only one Lok Sabha seat is there in Chandigarh. And coming to official language of Chandigarh is English. And architect of this city, this beautiful city, Chandigarh, architect of Chandigarh is Le Corbusier. Remember once again, architect of Chandigarh is Le Corbusier. And coming to Chandigarh Capitol Complex. Chandigarh Capitol Complex, it was declared by UNESCO as World Heritage Site, in which we will found what is called Legislative Assembly, Secretariat and High Court Complex, which is also at Chandigarh's Capitol Complex, not capital, Capitol Complex, which is also designed by Le Corbusier. And coming to wildlife sanctuaries in Chandigarh, one is Parrot Bird Sanctuary. Parrot Bird Sanctuary is located in Chandigarh. At the same time, Sukna Wildlife Sanctuary. Sukna Wildlife Sanctuary is also there in Chandigarh. And about lakes, only one lake is there in Chandigarh, that is Sukna Lake. Very, very important. Sukna Lake is located in Chandigarh. And very, very important one is Zakir Hussain, Asia's largest rose garden. Zakir Hussain Rose Garden is in Chandigarh. At the same time, every year, especially in the month of February, Rose Festival is generally held in Chandigarh. And one more very, very important one is Rock Garden. Rock Gardens, they are also located in Chandigarh. The chief architect of Rock Gardens is Neckchand Saini. Neckchand, simply remember as Neckchand. Neckchand, he is the creator of Rock Gardens in Chandigarh. And city which has highest per capita income. City which has highest per capita income in India is also Chandigarh, and Union Territory with the least percentage of SC population is also Chandigarh. And Chandigarh, which is said to be first kerosene free city in India. First kerosene free city in India is Chandigarh. Again, first cashless city in India is also Chandigarh. Remember, first cashless village in India is Dasai, which is in Maharashtra. First cashless island in India is Karang Island. Karang Island is in Manipur. First cashless state is Goa. So let us recap briefly once again. The common capital for both Punjab and Haryana is Chandigarh. Chandigarh city, which is also called a City of Beautiful, City of Roses, Green City of India. Formation of this UT which is actually formed in the year 1966 on November 1. Area rank is 34. Number of Lok Sabha seats is 1. Official language is English. Chief architect of Chandigarh city is Lee Corbusier. Of course, he also designed Chandigarh's Capitol complex in which we found High Court, Legislative Assembly, Secretariat. Coming to wildlife sanctuaries, Parrot Bird Sanctuary, Sukna Wildlife Sanctuary. So these are the two wildlife sanctuaries located in Chandigarh. Coming to lakes of Chandigarh, only one lake is there in Chandigarh, that is Sukna Lake, which is very, very important. And Zakir Hussain Rose Garden, which is in Chandigarh. Every year, especially in the month of February, Rose Festival held in Chandigarh, and creator of rock gardens in Chandigarh is Nekhchand Saini, and city which is having highest per capita income in India is also Chandigarh. Union territory with least percentage of SC population is also Chandigarh. First kerosene free city in India is Chandigarh. First cashless city in India is also Chandigarh. Hope this video is useful for your preparation. Remember one thing, opportunities never strike your door more than once. This is yours Ganapati sir from Ganapati Institute, Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. Meet you tomorrow with more current affairs and general studies classes. All the best.